Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics, and in this video I am going to show you how to download Interactive Brokers application into your Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to download Interactive Brokers, just simply open any of your browser into your computer. And now after opening the browser, just search for Interactive Broker desktop app download, and then after searching that, just simply scroll down and then you will see this IBKR desktop download option. Just simply click into that, and after that it will load this screen. Now you just simply have to click into this download for Windows 64-bit. Click into that and then it will download a file into your computer. And after downloading that file successfully, just simply open that file and then install it into your computer, and your Interactive Broker application will be installed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.